Now if I press 5, then both switch on at a time. See, both LEDs are also on. If I press 8, then both switch off at a time. Now firstly, components required to make the IR control or IR remote control switch board. Okay, yes, and for showing you that we are getting some values in pin number 10 and pin number 5, so I am using these two LEDs. Okay, obviously we get 5 volt as output, so use a resistance with this LEDs. This is our negative pin, which we need to connect with ground. Pin number 10 and pin number 5. As I already pushed that switch, so for that digital pin 10 is already giving 5 volt. Okay, so let's check now. See, I am pushing this switch number 1 or key 1. It's top now. You can see here also this value is only coming. Again pushing switch number 1. See, okay, now you can say that switch number 1 is work as a toggle switch here in this case. Now I have also code switch number 3 for pin number 5. You can see whenever I press switch number 3, then pin number 5 is on. Okay, on and off. Now for pin number 5, whenever I am going to press this pin number 5, then both output high at a time, or we are getting both output at a time. See, now if you press key 8, then both output going to be stop at a time. See, okay, we're successful in our code. So let's make the whole circuit and then show you. friends, so our IR remote control switchboard is ready now. You can see this is our IR receiver, that is TSOP 1738. This is our remote, and here you can see we are using two LEDs, LED 1, LED 2, for indicating which switch is on, and we are connecting our IR connection such that both switch or remote you can operate using both these two 5-pin sockets. Okay, so we are using basically or condition. Okay, you can press switch from the board itself, or you can press here switches in IRremote. Okay, I am using 1 for this one and 3 for this one. Okay, and 5 for both and 8 for both off. Okay, so and this is our Arduino UNO inputs, you can say. This is for 12 volt input. This is for 5 volt input. Okay, so I am using basically this port to give input to our Arduino UNO board, and I am taking this point for giving input to our Arduino UNO board. Okay, so for giving input to our Arduino UNO board 5 volt input, I am using my phone's adapter. Okay, this is my phone's adapter. We have to connect like this. See, it is connected. Now just you need to connect here. Okay, so for checking I am using my phone as a input, this 5-pin socket, and this lamp in this 5-pin socket. Okay, so firstly I have to connect switch. Okay, I connect that and I switch on that. Okay, now you can see if I press that switch, it's on. Okay, now I switch off both. Okay, now I show you using my remote. Okay, so for firstly 1, see, that is our receiver. Now let's see, I'm pressing 1. See, switch number 1 is on, that green LED is on now. Okay, so if I am pressing 1 again, then it stop. See, that is off. Now if I press 3, then that lamp is going to be on, and if I again press 3, then that lamp going to be off. See, I'm pressing 3 again. Now if I press 5, then both switch on at a time. See, both LEDs are also on. If I press 8, then both switch off at a time.